So, what's up, community? Welcome back to my YouTube channel with another amazing type of the video. In today's videos, I have brought another amazing Chinese wholesale platform named is Tangbuy. So, as how you can get the amazing type of the watch for them, how you can buy everything here. So, don't skip any part of the video. This video is going to be very, very interesting and also profitable for you. So, as we are going to start up our video. So guys, here is the our website 10 by. On this where you can also check out the logo of our website is here. So guys, welcome to the 10 by the ultimate online shopping experience where the innovation meets styles here. So guys, and the quality mode affability 10 by is your destination for the discovering the changes for that cutting edge gadgets, everything essential that elevate your style. With our seamless shopping experience, unbeatable deals, and a commitment to the customer satisfaction, down by Transform Jewelry Shop. Whether you are looking for the latest tech, jigs, specials, or unique finds, Tan by hands and saw. Do defy your expedition, explore and responsibility, and make every purchase with Tan by. So, guys, what is Tan by? What you want to know about Tan by? Here's the on front page. You can also check this about Tan by. Discover the ultimate shopping experience with the Tangbuy. So guys, why choose Tangbuy? Why we are going to choose the Tangbuy? Tangbuy is you get away to the millions of high quality products and delivery sourced from China offering unparalleled selection. Competitive prices. Tangbuy makes the shopping smarter, easier, and compacted quality products direct from the China. Whether you are refreshing your wardrobe or preparing for your bag to school season, trading your bags to your something special plan growing events, sourcing something to water your small business, Tamba is perfect solution for you. And unmet access to the China's biggest platforms. Tangbuy can actually China's largest online retail platform. Tobacco, which boasts nearly 3 billion products, and the massive B2B marketplace, 1688 with over a million suppliers. More than 50% of these suppliers are factories, meaning you are buying directly from the source. Tangbuy exclusive, Dan Swiss, what highly top-rated suppliers you can shop with the confidence, your purchasing trust receivers seamless payment option and also really better you can also like this and the reliable shipping and quality assurance is they give assure and they are assured about their quality and the prices are so cheap you can find everything here say more or more join the Tang by community. So that's what you can buy the stuff from this platform. I have wow another amazing type of the products. I also have bought some of the sneakers from them. So I will also give the links and everything on the screen, the orders numbers, the sneaker pictures, everything, and the unboxing videos. I will also make the overlay on the video view and also check this out. So guys, first of all, what you can buy this one? They give you amazing type of the categories. You can buy the menswear here. Also, you can buy the men's shirts, hoodies, T-shirt, suit, polo shirt, jeans, casual pairs, cattle, shorts, swag pairs, down jackets, down jacket, cord and padded, everything, whatever you want. You can also buy it from the 10, but you can also buy the women's wear. You can buy the dress, skirt, even down jeans, legging, a jumpsuit, hoodie, shirts, wear, jacket, cord, stole, top, sweater, padded jacket, well suited down jacket, everything, whatever you want. You can also buy it from them. And you can also find some Dudley bras, underwears, everything from them and hit the jewelry session. You can also get the jewelries from him. You can also buy whatever you want. You can also buy the hat. You can also buy the sunglasses, that accessories, earrings, earrings, hairpins, everything is available for you on this platform. Only on Tank by the best platform I have ever seen in the China's wholesale e-factories industry. You can also by the Christmas edition. So guys, they are selling so many decorations stuff for the Christmas. Just like Christmas trees, ornaments, rats, decorations, table coins, wrapping, and everything, whatever you want, you can also buy from them. So let's on the screen you can also check this out. I have bought the free sneakers from them. You can also buy the on the screen. You can also check this out. Here's our sneakers information. Here's your order number in front of you. We can also check this out. The first sneaker is 8 in front of you. Guys, you can also check this out. Here is the first Sneakers all fiber. Sneakers, order all fiber for Sneakers here, guys. You can also check this out. And you can also find out all the details I have brought from the Tangbuy. And I will also show this some of the pictures of our sneakers. So stay with me. You can also check this. I will show every type of the details, and I will give every proof that I have bought this from sneakers from Tangbuy. So as here is the first sneaker details. CNY 135 it's become 18.88 US dollars, guys. Just $18, guys. You can buy the amazing type of the runner's shoes. So, guys, I have bought the sneakers from them. Check this out. The details are here, and I have successfully brought this sneaker from them. So, guys, here's the sneaker, guys. You can also check this out. This one, this is the sneaker I have bought in the green color. You can also want it some, just like a pinkish color. You can whatever you say. I have bought the three Sneakers from them. Here's it, guys, three Sneakers from them. You can also check this out. Here's the detail that I have successfully bought the three Sneakers from them. So guys, now we are gonna check out everything about them. So guys, here's unboxing videos of my sneakers. You can also check this out. I have unboxed these sneakers in the check this out. I'm gonna unbox this sneaker. Just stay with me. And here is our sneaker, guys. Check this out. Here's our sneaker. I'm gonna unbox this out, guys. Check this out. And I have bought the three sneakers. I already have recommended you that I have bought the three sneakers. Let's take it out and check out the quality of our sneaker. And guys, here's the box of our sneaker. Now it's time to. Here's the guys actual BM running band running shoe. Check out the quality. Looks amazing and tremendous. Look so great and amazing. Guys, you can also find out this and check out another pair. Totally, I have bought the three pairs from them. And here's another two. Let's take it out. And guys, here's the second one, our sneaker, guys. Now we are gonna check out this. And here's you guys, guys, the coolest sneakers I have ever seen. The best and cheap prices. Thank you, Tangbuy. So what? The prices are so cheap on the Tamba. You can also buy everything in just $8, $70, $15. 14 cents. You can also buy the earrings and nose pins, everything, and you can buy everything in just cents or few dollars. And you can buy everything here. You can also buy everything here. The best platform is amazing platform for you can buy. I previously give all of the information about my sneakers that I have bought from this one. This one is amazing and tremendous platform for you. Don't forget to check out this. This is the amazing and fabulous shop direct from China. Buy more, save on shipping. So guys, how you can buy this? Buy these words from the tent by they are given so much opportunities for you. New user sign up from free gift and the customers Tangbuy of Long app is also officially launched there. An affiliate system is are given this. They are also given the affiliate system and anybody join this platform through Yolin you can also get the amazing type of rewards from them. So but this is the platform, the amazing type of platform Tangbuy is here in front of you. You have to join this. So guys, that was our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed in real. But let's meet on the next video. Have a great day.